Hi, top 10 quiz survey WordPress plugins I'll show you very quickly in this video, and at the end or in between I'll show you 100% free plugins, okay, WordPress quiz plugins. So you watch this video till the end, don't skip. So these are the quiz plugins. As you can see, the benefits and features I'll tell, and they have actually they have targeted different industries and categories, and features are also little different. So different types of quiz websites you can create. So this is not a single concept, okay. Inside this quiz or trivia or survey, there are multiple concepts available. So as like in this short video, I'll just touch all these points quickly as far as possible and in the very easy language, okay. So now inside all these plugins actually are available inside WordPress dashboard also, okay. So let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, this is the WordPress dashboard, and if you just simply search with quiz, so you will get all these quiz plugins, right? So I have selected this HD quiz, but only quiz. If you type, you will get many plugins. As you can see, total 362 plugins are there. But if you just type over quiz and survey, okay, quiz and survey, so then it will get narrowed down, okay. I will get specific search results. So quiz maker, then QSM, survey maker, mate form, okay, Everest forms, formidable forms and contact form. These are actually you can also use for quiz survey purposes. Mainly they are popular for the contact forms, okay. So I hope you understood what a quiz, QuizCat, chained quiz. So all these are available inside WordPress dashboard. So just you can use them completely free of cost. Now let me tell you about their features, okay. So yeah, so these are actually the quizzes available. So first quiz is product recommendation quiz for e-commerce. So mainly for the e-commerce business website, they can use these inside their product page or inside their like inside any page, home page or blog page, okay, wherever they want, they can integrate this, because you will get short code and page builder also you will get, so you can add them, okay. And this plugin has total 3.k installations. So I have kept it in the first position because this is mainly for the e-commerce purpose, okay. So second is chained quiz. So if you are just looking for chain quiz, unlimited quiz, okay, in a very well mannered way, okay, so then this plugin you can use 2k installations with 4.9k rating. As you can see, these are the features you will get, okay. But if you are thinking the reviews are less, why I should use, then you should consider this one, okay. You can see 40k active installations plus 4.7k ratings, that is QSM, quiz and survey master, okay. This is also completely free of cost, but their review is higher, okay. Their reviews are higher, and you can definitely have their features with unlimited quiz questions, then diverse range of questions. You will get multiple choice question, multiple response, drop down, short answers, paragraph. So all these features, captcha, file upload, okay, polar, these things you will get, matching pairs, radio grid, checkbox grid, everything you will get. And with their pro features, okay, these are the export import, reporting analysis, advanced assessment, quiz navigator, quiz proactor, all Google sheet connector you will get. These are the features, MailChimp and Zapier integration, user dashboard, logic, okay. These are the facilities you will get, but I recommend you use first you try with the free version. If you are satisfied, then you can move with their upgradation with premium Okay, next is actually quiz maker with 20k active installations, 4.9 rating. So here you will get these are the features you will get for the free of cost. You can create cartoon quiz, movie quiz, geography quiz, audio quiz, video quiz, math quiz, and one page quizzer. Okay, and with pro you will get, you can create little complex type of quiz website, that is personality quiz, exam with certificate. If your user want to get certificate, they can get the certificate with their pro feature. Okay, then assessment quiz, psychology test, paid quiz with navigator bar, password protector quiz, flashboard, then 2FL. Okay, then timer also there, custom pagination quiz. So everything will be there in this quiz maker plugin. Next we have poll, survey and quiz maker with 9k active installation, 4.3k rating. Okay, so this is actually you will get completely free of cost. Okay, I think there actually there will be some I think in this pro features will be there. Let me check. Okay, no, there is no such pro feature. So this is actually completely free of cost. We can create personality test quiz, trivia quiz, image based quiz, feedback surveys. Okay, because they have not mentioned anything under pro features, as you can see. Okay, complete list of things you will get. So this is one completely free plugin, and another one I'll show you, that one also completely free. Okay, so watch this video till the end. So next, our survey maker. This is 6k active installation, 4.8k rating. So you can create survey maker pricing, free demo, pro demo, documentation. So everything they have, nice documentations, FAQ, everything, shortcode features also there. So demography survey, software development request form, and relationship questionnaire you can create with free, and with pro you can create this type of survey or quizzes. Okay, easy to use, and timer also there. Then you will have a slider list, then ranking. These are the features you will get with some with free and some with pro versions. Okay, next we have WP quiz. Okay, so WP quiz is very popular nowadays, because but they have their rating little less rating. But if I tell you why popular, because they have unlimited quiz features, and you will get lots of benefits for free. Okay, this is also completely free of cost. There is no upgradations. Okay, so that is why I told this is nowadays little popular, but reviews are little less. Next you will get with QuizCat you will get higher reviews, 4.7 and 5k installations, and these are the benefits you will get. Live demo will be there, viral quiz you can create. Okay, and this is very powerful plugin, and multi-purpose quiz types, unlimited quizzes will be there, Gutenberg compatible, fully translatable in any languages, and with premium features you will get. These are the benefits, and above all these are free of cost. Next we have where to quiz. These 4k installations and 4.7k ratings. So these are the features you will get completely free of cost. Long list. Okay, so you can see all these features are completely free. Okay, survey quiz, required questions, open-end question, multiple choice, single choice. Okay, puzzle, survey, polls. You can shortcode feature will be there, random quiz, deactivate question, grades. Okay, so many advanced features you will get for completely free. Okay, online demo or developers AI troubleshooting. Okay, so this is also completely free, because there is no such upgradation is there. Okay, so the next one is also 100% free of cost, that is HD quiz. Okay, so you can create any quiz website very easily with 7k active installation and all 5-star rating. So I kept this plugin at the end, because all 5-star reviews and higher customer satisfactions are there. So you can definitely try this HD quiz, and features you will get unlimited quiz. Okay, and options you will get settings, social sharing, mobile friendly, quizzes are accessible, then multiple choice questions, and you can add image also. Timer will be there, which is great option. Animated GIF support, random quiz, translate Okay, option will be there. Google Translate, you can Google Translate API you can connect. Then pool of questions, result questions, marking quiz, marking option, custom pass percentage. Okay, so these are the things you will get in this quiz. So I hope you understood all the benefits and features. If you have any questions or you want us to create a complete quiz based websites, you can just let us know. We'll do it. Okay, thank you so much.